Hey guys, it's Joe Vonderschmidt with Century 21 Results, Go with Joe and Company, and today I'm at another great listing, this time in Blairsville, Georgia, a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on nearly 9 mountainous acres. So absolutely beautiful property out here, located within minutes to Vogel State Park and Blood Mountain. So guys, I'm here in the kitchen. We've got granite countertops, totally open to the family room. And if you look here in the back, we've got a sunroom where you can sit out and enjoy overlooking some beautiful mountain views. Finishing up here at one of my favorite parts of this house, this outdoor gazebo space, perfect for just relaxing, enjoying all these beautiful mountain views. Could be a great VRBO opportunity, Airbnb, or just a simple mountain getaway. So for more information or to schedule your private showing, give me a call and go with Joe.